Hi guys, this is Day5 and I'm just going to say about very important topic which is none other than practice. Yes guys, practice. So in this video I'm just going to say how to practice and why you should practice every day, because it is most important. You do or until or unless, I can say in simple language, until or unless you have to do these things if you want to be fluent in English. Without this you can't be fluent in English. So let's get started today's video. Something I should give you alternative that you can use it. Yes guys, if you use this, then you also practice with English. You also build your fluency, because without practice you can't be fluent. Like I took the challenge 21 days of speaking. Why I took that challenge? Because I want to show you, I want to practice every day. I just want to know that if I practice for 21 days, what happens, and if I speak more than 10 minutes in a video without cutting, without editing, without rectifying my mistakes, then what happens? That is why I took the 21 days challenge. So it is day 5 and it is going awesome. Sometimes I little bit get busy, but yeah, okay, it's okay. It is a professional field that we have to engage in our task. Without engaging we can't escape from it. So that there's nothing. But yeah guys, you don't need to buy any course. You don't need to, if you are beginner, if you are intermediate, you don't need to buy any type of course. You can learn it from YouTube. On YouTube there are many channels, like you can learn. So I will provide you in another video. There are many things from where I learned, from what I did, then what was my method. I will make more videos, but not in the same way. I'll make different ways so that you can also know about it. But yeah, more important thing is that how to practice. If you don't have any partner, if you don't have any partner, then how to practice? So what you can do now, we can do just you can do just one thing, that is, as I said earlier, that mirror practice is old, but also you can do if you want that mirror practice. You can you can't believe that when I'm recording this video, just actually below my phone there is a mirror where I'm looking at, and I'm just making the video, and also I'm looking at the camera. So I must say that everyone has nowadays everyone has their smartphone, and everyone has their own mirror in their house, so they can practice English. But yeah, as I suggested, that you should speak in front of camera, because it will help you. You upload on YouTube or not, it's up to you. But yeah, it helps you, because when you record, if you I'm just taking it that you record your video every day on phone. Okay, whatever, you are sleeping, you are recording, you are doing anything, you are recording. It is blog type, whatever style, you are just recording. What will happen? You actually, if you don't upload the video on YouTube, it's okay, as I said. Okay, so it's okay. You don't need to any type of upload. You don't need to be publicly. Just store it. If you have a computer, store the computer. If you have an extra memory card, then store the extra memory card. And if you have a problem with low memory card, low storage, then you can store it, analyze it, then delete it. So every day analyze your speaking ways. Without uploading, you can do that every day. Analyze your speaking ways. What is the sentence you are making, what the error you did, what you did, like everything. Analyze what is the vocab, what is the words you learned, what is the words you thought you wanted to say but you didn't say, because there is lack of practice. Okay, so make this type of video, analyze actually after making the video. So you have to do one thing, you have to do that thing, sorry, not one thing. And after analyzing, after that, if you want to upload the video on YouTube, then upload it. It will help you, it will get you motivated. It's okay. If you don't need to upload, if you don't need to be publicly, then it's also very okay. Okay, so the another tips I would would suggest you, that is use AI. To practice alone, you have to use AI, because yeah, today ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok, and like there are many types of AI. You can speak with them freely. Actually, with your Geo subscription, with your Geo recharge, you get the subscription Gemini Unlimited Pro, ChatGPT, Perplexity, I think it is called Perplexity. Yeah, you got the subscription with your SIM. Nowadays, it is easy. It is easy to get the subscription of that AI with your current recharging pack. So it is easy. I hope that you also got the pack. So I must say, then practice with them, say them. Then ChatGPT, I'm saying like my name is Vishal, is it correct? Or when we say someone that after saying that, okay, hi, myself Vishal, is it wrong? So you will got the answer that ChatGPT will say that myself Vishal, it's wrong, because we don't say myself Vishal, we say that my name is Vishal. Yeah, this is Vishal, like we say. So then ChatGPT will correct you. Speak with ChatGPT at least 10 days. If you don't need to record, if you don't want to record, then you go with ChatGPT, go with Gemini. You don't need to record. And if you go with Gemini, if with go with recording, then there is the combo pack here. And to make this combo more energetic, more powerful, you have another ways also. I'm just going to say, okay, as I said to you, that reading, writing, speaking, watching, how to note down. I didn't say how to note down, but I little bit say how to note down like this way. I said, okay, that is good. If there is another technique, every day, okay, I said right now that practice, okay, do practice, but it is, I said, speaking ways, okay, speaking ways or face cam ways, by showing your body movement, okay, you use your tongue, then it is body movement na. So okay, and then you have to do another technique, which is none other than create your subconscious mind. Yes guys, because yeah, we have to create our subconscious mind before doing anything. You have to do that writing practice. Yeah, if you practice writing every day, it will create your subconscious mind. Your conscious mind will create your subconscious mind, and this is how you can make yourself be fluent. So that is what I wanted to say. I had to stop because of the temperature, you know. So that is here. I am just going to stop because I just want to go my job. I have to go to my job right now. I have limited time. So see you in another day, another video.